my wall.
Time to take down this sack of hot air.
I should have exterminated you when I had the chance.
All right, time to take down this sack of hot air.
You destroyed Liberty Land, and now you're gonna die. Get off me!
It's times like this I wish I had rabies.
Get up! Where is he? Where'd he go?
Howdy.
This is gonna be fun. My taxidermist is gonna have quite the job putting you back together again. What the?
This one's for fun.
Finish him!
I'm okay! You messed with one of us, you messed with all of us.
Wow, those guys are hungry. Use your teeth, fellas. Get in there.
Mr. Mayor, you're coming with me.
Hello? Sarge, we're gonna take this into evidence. Code 7.
Copy that, rookie.
Get your hands off of me! Do you know who I am?
You, sir, are going to jail for a long time.
Hell! I can't go to jail, I'm rich!
Get your hands off me! Do you know who I am? You shot me with a dart!
Please, let me explain.
Somebody call the police!
Her tiny teeth are so sharp.
This amusement park is closed.
Victor.